Glam AI versus Hula AI. Let's start with Glam AI. So, it is an AI-powered platform for generating hyper-realistic product photos using just the basic product images or text. It's especially popular for e-commerce, digital stores, and creators needing polished shots without a full photo shoot. So, let's talk about its pros and cons. So, it easily turns basic product shots into studio-level photos. They also have a drag-and-drop interface with prompt customization, and they also have a great for e-commerce stores and social posts or ads. It also offers lifestyle, studio, and stylized render options, and there's no design experience needed. The only downside is they have the best features locked behind paid plans. Now, next we have is Hula. So Hula is an emerging AI platform designed for content creators and brand marketers, offering AI image generation, mockups, and branded visuals in just a few clicks. It's broader in use compared to Glam, with a heavier focus on branding. So its process, it focuses on branded content generations, and it can generate banners, ads, packaging mockups, and more. It also has very easy to apply brand colors, fonts, and identity. And they have a quick one-click generation for social media assets, which is good for agencies and freelancers. So, Glam AI is great in creating high-quality product photography for online stores or marketing. And then Hula AI is great if you want to create full branding packages or marketing visuals beyond just product photos.